Alright, Micah, I got your tiny whip here. I'm going to show you real quick how to set up a new model, how to put it in D8 mode, and how to bind this quad to your radio. So, you're going to turn on your radio. You're going to hit menu. You're going to go to new model. Hold down enter. Click create model. Push page. And then here you can name it. So name it whatever you want. I'm not going to name this one. Then push plus to go to the bottom of the screen where you got the bind stuff. So you go up to where it says mode, click enter, change it to D8, push enter, go down to bind, push enter. Okay, now take a screwdriver, pliers, tweezers, or something, get a battery ready to be plugged in, almost plugged in but not quite. Okay, it's right where it's like about to plug in, but not quite. Then the bind button is right inside. I sent you a picture of where it's at. It's right underneath here. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but in person you'll be able to find it no problem. So I'm going to push down on that. You can hear it and feel it click. There it is. Okay, so I'm pushing down on it, plug in the battery. Now you can let off the button. Wait a couple seconds. Then you can push enter on your radio again. Put the radio down, unplug the battery, plug the battery back in, and now it's bound. And the way you know it's bound is on your main screen. You'll see it right here is the RSSI signal for it. Okay, so we know we're bound. So I'm going to unplug the quad. So next thing you want to do is set up your arm and flight mode. So you're going to push menu page to page 5. Go down to number 5. Hit enter. Name this one arm. Go down to here, source, click on it, and then I use this one for arm, but whichever switch you flip, it'll change it to that on here. So I use this one, so watch when I flip it, it'll change to it. See, now it's on SF. So that'll be my arm. Okay, then hit enter, exit, exit, go down to number 6, name this one mode, because it'll be your flight modes. Go down to source, click on it, and I use this one. You can use whatever you want, but as soon as I flip it, it'll switch to that. See, now it's on SB, okay? So that's my flight mode switch. Hit enter, hit exit, exit, push page, go down to number 5, enter, enter. I name this one AUX 1 for auxiliary 1. And then exit, exit, go down to number 6, and this will be auxiliary 2. So AUX 1 is your arm and AUX 2 is your flight modes. Okay, and that's it. Exit, 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 and now you're good. That's all you need to do. So then you can plug the battery back in to the quad. And now when I hit arm, it should arm. There you go. Disarm. And then you got your flight modes. It's set up for, I think, air mode and horizon. Alright, thanks, man.